Oh man, Bert, it is super cold out there. Currently about, can you see that, about 22 degrees. That is very cold. I don't know how much that is in Celsius, maybe -8 or so. -8 Celsius, 22 Fahrenheit. Okay, today we're talking about a what's called a B-roll challenge. B-roll challenge. So you take your video camera and you record, B-roll, like filler material in between scenes. Lots of slow motion music, kind of filler content you put in between your video segments. It's called B-roll. There's a channel out there, Michael Fire Jr., and he does a B-roll challenge. So people from all over the world, they submit their B-roll, I think 20 or 30 seconds of B-roll, and then they judge every month, and the winner gets a prize, or there's people in there that have giveaways. And last month, the month of January, I sponsored the B-roll challenge, and a guy from Italy won. His YouTube channel is Topic Ruben. See if I can see that. This is his Twitter account, so you can follow him on Twitter at Topic Ruben. And let's see if you can find him over here on YouTube. Yeah, Topic Ruben. This is his logo, and this guy is from Italy. He won the final. He was in the finals and then won. Here's the live stream they did. You can see those. This is the host, Michael Fire Jr. Those are the 3 judges, and here you can see they judge on each little video clip. And then, Topic Ruben won. So. It's been a couple weeks, and I apologize.
Okay, Valentine's Day is...
Hang on, let me pause this here. I apologize for the delay, but this is the making of Topic Ruben's B-roll challenge award prize. I'm in the middle of making it. It's going to be done in a few days, and I will send it out as soon as I can. It will go to Italy. So here we go.